Hello guys, I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see introduction of React.js. So we are not going to see the theory part and so many other things. We will only see the key point of React.js. So let's start what those key points. So first, as we know that React is also known as React.js or React.js. Some people say React and some say React.js and some say React.js. So these all are the same, React or React.js or React.js. All are the same. And next point is the React.js is a JavaScript library for building fast and interactive user interface. React is a JavaScript library. It is used for using fast and interactive user interface. And React is written in JavaScript. React is written in JavaScript. React is developed by Jordan Walke. This is the important point. Or few people ask that who developed the React. So you can say the React is developed by Jordan Walke and it is maintained by Facebook and community. React is maintained by Facebook and its community. So let's see the next point. So next point is the initial release of React.js is May 2013. In May 2013, the initial release was launched of React.js and latest release happened in March 19, 2020 and till now React release 16.13.1. This is the latest React version. 16.13.1 is the latest React version till now. And next key point is React is an open source library. Anyone can use it. React is an open source library and it is used for building single page application SPA. We will see that what is mean of SPA in my coming session. So React is used for single page applications. And next point is React is not a framework, it is a library. React is not a framework like Angular. Angular is a framework. If you want to run Angular, then you should install Angular framework. But in React, it is a library. Actually, it is a JavaScript. It is the combination of JavaScript library. So if anyone asks you, then you should say that React is not a framework, it is a library. And next point is React was first developed on Facebook news feed in 2011 and on Instagram in 2012. So React first deployed on Facebook in 2011 and on Instagram in 2012. So let's see the next point. React.js follow the concept of one-way data binding. As we know in Angular follow the concept of two-way data binding. But React follow the concept of one-way data binding. In my coming session, we will see that what is the one-way data binding and what is the two-way data binding. So now let's see the next key point. Next key point is React.js can perform client side. It can render server side also. Server side rendering SSR is a popular technique of React.js. We will see that how React.js work and how server side rendering happen in React.js. So React.js work for client side and it can render server side also. So next point is Angular has modules, controllers, directives scope, templating, filters, dependency injections, but React.js has just component. React.js has just component and we use along with component module. So React.js do not have these things: directives, scope, filtering, dependency injections. It only work on component and modules. And next key point and very important key point of React.js is virtual DOM. React.js use the concept called virtual DOM. We will see very details in my coming session that how virtual DOM happen and detail about virtual DOM. Create an in-memory data structure cache, calculate the resulting differences and then update the browser with those differences only. This is the brief about the virtual DOM, but we will see detail about virtual DOM in my coming sessions. So you will clear that what happened in virtual DOM. So these are the key point of React.js. We will not going to cover the theoretical part. You have seen the theoretical part so many times, but here we brief only the key point of and the only 15 key point of React.js. So guys, this is all about the React.js introduction and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.